Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Some Dots Too by Randall. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have some dots. So the number in the dot in the brown diamond is the sum of the cells it touches. So these two sum to 7 and these 4 sum to 8. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, 9 is going to be 3, 6, or 4, 5. 7 has every possible way to add to it. 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. 11 is only 5, 6. 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also 5, 6. All right, I want to think about this before it trivializes because I think this is neat. We know the entire box adds to 21. The reason we know that is they have 1 to 6 in it. All boxes have 1 to 6 in them, and 1 through 6 sum to 21. So, what is 12 plus 13? Well, that's 25. So that means our overlap, because this overlap is counted twice for the 12 and the 13, that overlap has to equal 25 minus 21, which is 4. So this has to be a 1-3 pair in order for that overlap to work. And so now we kind of know how this 12 and 13 work. So this adds to 4. So to get to 12, we need another 8. That's going to be, and it can't be 5, 3, so it has to be 6, 2, and that resolves these. And then these better add to 13. We'll double check. So this is 4, 5, 4 and 5. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Nice, we did it. So that's not 4, 5. So this has to be a 3, 6 pair here. 1, 3 pair tells us the order. 8 is pretty small for 4 digits. We have to repeat a digit at least. That's interesting. So we're repeating a digit here or here. What digit are we repeating? So obviously if we were 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be too big. That would be 10. So we're repeating a 1, a 2, or a 3, but we can't actually repeat the 2, right? We can't repeat the 2 and we can't repeat the 3 because of this 2 and 3. So we're going to repeat a 1 in here. So there's going to be 2 1s, and then the other 2 are going to add to 6. Now, again, we can't repeat the 3, so we can't do 3, 3. If we wanted to do 2, 4, the only way we could do 2, 4 is to have a 2 over here and a 4 over here. Or, let's see, 1, 1, 2, 4. And we can't do 1, 5. So that's it. We get a 1, 2 pair and a 1, 4 pair. That's neat. So this is either 1 plus, we can't do 1 plus 6. We have to do 2 plus 5. That makes that a 1 and a 1 and a 4. This is a 4. I really hope I did that right because that was cool. This is 2, 5. So we get that. Maybe this 14 comes in handy, but I think we have more Sudoku to do. Okay, we knew this was 1, 2, 3, 4, so that dot's done. This is 3, 6. All right, let's look at these pairs. We need a 3, 4 here. We need a 3, 5 here. We need a 1, 6 here. So this is a pair as well. This is a 2, 4. So now how are we getting to 14? The question is 1 too small here? That's the first thing I want to ask, because 6 is going to make it really big. So if this is a 1, that adds to 6. These would have to add to 8, but their max is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we do need to include the 6. That's lucky. So that adds to 11 now. So these need to add to 3. So we need to use the 1, 2. That's a 4. That's 3 and 4. That's 5 and 3. And now we should just be able to finish this. We need a 1, 2 here. We need a 3, 4 here. Then we know the order, which is nice. That resolves these. Here we need a 1, 5. We know the order. Oops. Which also resolves these. And then down here we need a 2 and we need a 6 and we're done. Very cool. I really like that, Randall. What should I say about this? This was neat. I liked the overlap here, forcing the 1, 3. I liked what did I do up here? I liked the 8 a lot. That we had a 2 here and we had a 3 here. We knew we had to repeat a digit, so it had to be the 1, and that really forced things. That was super cool for how the 8 was forced. I'm not sure if this 14 was forced earlier, if there was a different path, but I really liked the path I took. That was super cool. Thanks, Randall. Very clever puzzle. And if you enjoyed this, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.